Hello and welcome. You're watching the tutorial for the hobnail vase arrangement. This floral kit comes with an assortment of green stock tulips, irises, thistle, and a mini green hydrangea. All you need in front of you is your vase flowers and a sharp scissors or garden shears. Feel free to pause the video as you go if you need more time to adjust. Let's get started. Start by taking your vase and filling it about halfway full with water, and then from there you'll add your packet of Floral Life. This just helps prolong the life of the flowers. Starting your arrangements with a few greens helps hold your larger flowers in place. The first piece of greenery that we will be using is a type of fern. Cut it so that it sits just above the top of the vase. Stems should be cut at an angle to allow for more surface area to suck up water. Next, you're going to take your pieces of Floral, leaving them a little bit taller. As you place them, think of it like you're working in a circle around your vase. Now you will take one piece of stock to help establish the height of your arrangement. A good rule of thumb with a vase like this is to have your tallest flower be 1.5 to 2 times the height of the vase. Take your mini green hydrangea, and in this case we'll be leaving the leaves on around the flower just to fill the arrangement out more. The gypsy dianthus will be placed next. Now these typically have a lot of breaks, so don't be afraid to cut it into a few pieces to maximize the stem. Add your largest piece of gypsy dianthus around the back and add the smaller pieces by again working in a circle around your vase. Now grab your iris. This is a gorgeous form flower. Leave it taller, similar to the stalk, and place it in the center of your arrangement. Up next are our personal favorites, the tulips. What makes tulips so fun is that they are one of the only flowers that keep growing after they've been cut. Let the tulips help you decide where to place them based on the direction they are bending. Now we'll be grabbing the filler, and again you can cut this at the breaks in a few places to maximize your use. Look for holes in your arrangement and tuck these pieces in. Lastly, you'll grab the blue thistle and again spin your arrangement in a circle looking for any holes. Give your arrangement a spin. There's added interest all around, and you created a beautiful garden style arrangement. We have just a few helpful tips. Make sure all of your stems are always in water. Prolong the life of your arrangement by grabbing it like a bouquet out of the vase in a few days and trimming off the ends and replacing your water.